Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to smoke some Cheez-Its. I'm going to show you how I do that. It's a really good, quick recipe. Spices these Cheez-Its up, gives them a little smoke, and gives them a good flavor. So I'm going to bring you in closer and I'll show you how we do that. It's really simple. Okay guys, so I've just got a foil pan here. I've got my Cheez-Its. 1 cube of melted butter. I just put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever it took to get it melted. And then I've got some ranch dressing, soy sauce, and Worcestershire, and some Tabasco. So what you're going to do for this, first thing, is take 3 tablespoons of your ranch, or 1 packet if you buy it in the packets. Just put 3 of those in with our butter. And we just put a little splash of soy sauce, a little splash of the Worcestershire, and a little splash, shake that up, a little splash of the Tabasco. Just whisk all that together. Till it's not clumpy anymore. Okay. And what you need is I got this jumbo size thing of Cheez-Its. You can, so there's two boxes in here. You want to do this over 2 boxes. So if you're buying it at I bought this at Sam's Club. If you buy it at the grocery store, so that you're just having the boxes, so you don't want to get two boxes. Any flavor works for them. So you want to put 1 in one. I'm going to put 1 in the other, and then I'll just divide this half and half between the 2 of them. Just like so. Make sure I got this stirred up, because I'll try to settle to the bottom on me while it sits. I'm just going to drizzle half of it over this one. So we're about half there. And then we'll drizzle the other half. I think this one got shorted just a little. Okay. Then we're just going to take this, kind of toss it, get that coated on all of them a bit. Okay, like so. You can see it's all oily on them. Do the other one. And these are really good. I've done them before this way, and just adds a really good smoky flavor to them. They won't last long if you take them to a party or something. They'll get eaten up pretty quick. So now I'm going to get over to the smoker, and we're going to get these put on. Alright, so we got these over to the smoker. We've got the smoker turned at 225. We're just using competition blend pellets. And we're just going to set these in here. And all you have to do is just let them go for about an hour to an hour and a half. And then we'll come out and we'll flip them over a bit, and then we'll turn them up to crisp them up, and turn it up to about 300 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then they'll be done. It's a really easy, simple snack. So we'll be back when we are ready to turn the smoker up in about an hour and a half. Alright, so these have been on here an hour and a half. We turned them in between halfway. And now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of just stir them up again. And then we're going to turn the smoker up to 300 degrees. And we're going to let it go for about 20-25 minutes. and then these will be done. Alright guys, so these have been on here another 20 minutes. We're going to get these off here. What we're going to do is take them off. We're going to let them cool down, then we'll come back and try it out. Alright guys, so we got these finished up. They sat out here and cooled down for about 20 minutes, and we're going to try these out and see how they taste. Now, just a little smoky flavor. You can taste that ranch butter. Really good. You got to try this. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and a like, and we'll see you on the next one.